y'all see lunch. Hold on, I'll get right back. Okay folks, it didn't look like this before, but this was a piece of meat. This was a tomato, and as you can see I've got some cayenne peppers, one Tabasco, and that looks to be onion. And I'm second guessing the onion. Hey, I'm about to start hunting. Let me tell you something. We're gonna go right about to where that limb, I don't know if you can see it, but that tree right there, we're gonna walk up and then we're gonna come down. And then we're gonna search this area right here, and then we're gonna go that way. You going with me? Come on, let's go find something else. I'd like to stay here and watch him all day, but oh, there he goes, there he goes. Well, wasn't what I expected. I knew I'd find one. I always say, the metal detecting tool's not gonna go good unless you find a pull tab. Well, we found our first, so let's hope it's the last. Come on, let's go find something else. Hey folks, sounds like we got visitors. I'm gonna go get my kayak. I'll be right back. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna stop you for a minute and get you out of my shirt. Well, that's what it was. Alright. Well folks, we're in about that deep of water. Just found this spent shell casing. Can't tell what it says, but that was what was making the noise. But while I was digging, I found a freshwater mussel. And as you know, you can eat them. Alright, we'll let him go back, maybe get bigger. We'll catch him in a couple of years if he's still around. Come on, let's go find something else. Well, I think I've got everything. And hey folks, y'all still with me? Look at that. We found us a little buckle. And I'm assuming that come off of that shoe we just found. Looks like there's a, oh, what does that say? Can't hardly tell, but it's a buckle. I'll take it. Come on, let's go find something else. All right, I think I'm gonna say